Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a Valentine's Day video. Yes, I have a Valentine's Day phone theme, and not just one, but two phone themes. I really like both of the themes. I just love how Valentine's Day-esque they are, and I have this just a simple pink phone case for this theme. I will be having another Valentine's Day phone theme video after. So I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's just get started. Alright, so let's begin with the creator of this theme. So that is what the theme is titled, and that is the creator as well. It's super cute and it is on Samsung Themes app. This is the preview of the theme. It's really nice, really perfect for Valentine's Day. So now we are going to apply this theme on our phone, and I can show you in depth how it looks like. This is the super cute theme. This is how it looks like on my phone. I just have this super cuteness overload. So the bear is holding a heart and squishing it, and then there's little bears at the bottom for the phone, contacts, and messages. They are the cutest icons I have ever seen, and I am in love, as well as the little sliding. When you slide them, there's a heart and a star, and at the very bottom there's also some icons for the back button, the home button, and I really like those little features that are included in themes, so that is definitely a plus. The icons that are on the phone are really nice. They're just super pink and girly, and I really like the way it looks with the theme. The time is pink, and when I go down, it's super pink, and I love it. And the folders turn pink, and here are the rest of the icons that the theme includes. So the camera, calculator, look at the gallery, it's so cute. I really like that. And now for the calculator, this is how it looks like. It's just super pink and girly. And then the calendar looks really nice as well. It's just pink and white and purple, so really nice. It goes really well with the theme. And then this is how the phone looks like. So when you're making a call, a little bear is hanging out in the corner, and I think that's adorable. It's super pink, which I love once again. And for the messages, this is how it looks like. It screams Valentine's in my opinion. We just have like a little bear for an icon image, and then it's purple and pink, and then there's a little heart for like the where it says enter message, and it's super pink. The keyboard is very fitting for this theme, and when I type, the icon that pops up is pink, so it's super cute. And you can see the bear is in the background of like your messages, so I like that a lot. And here is how the lock screen looks like. So it just has the same little bear image, and it's super pink. The time is pink, and everything else is pink. So hello Valentine's Day with all the pink. And you guys could see there's a little bear in the corner with a phone for phone calls, so that's a cute touch. Also, I wanted to show you guys the other icons. They're really nice. I really like the way they look, like my files, the Galaxy apps, like how cute is that? Samsung Pay, Samsung Health. Those are really nice icons that go really well with the theme. So this is the next theme. That is the name and the creator. I really like this theme. This is the preview. It screams Valentine's Day. So here is how the theme looks like on my phone. It is super nice. Here are the icons. These are the most perfect icons for this theme and this Valentine's Day phone look. So there's just like hearts and like pink and red and a little like envelope, like a Valentine, and then there's like two hearts with an arrow across, and it's super pink. And I love how the bottom looks. As you guys could see, there's little hearts as well, so I really like that. All the icons are super unique, and they all have like this twist on like Valentine's Day. So these are the folders. They just have this super cute outline, and look at the clock and the settings and the calculator. It's the Eiffel Tower. So when I click the clock, this is how it looks like. There's a heart with wings at the top, and it's super pink. And then now I'm going to click on the calculator, and as well, it's pink everywhere. And the calendar looks like this. It's pink with red and hot pink and purple, and it just looks super cute, and it makes me so excited and so happy for Valentine's Day. And this is the beautiful phone, so this cannot be any more perfect. It's just little heart background with like kisses and little lovebirds at the bottom. When I type for a phone, it's a blue, and I just really love the way this looks. It just goes really nicely. Now for the messages, it's super cute as well. We just have the same heart with wings at the top, and then at the left corner there's another little heart. And for the icon image, there's that same heart that was in our home screen. And then the background, if you guys could kind of see, there's a love image. And then this cannot be any more cuter. There's a little bear at the corner with a heart. I love that. And then the keyboard looks so pretty. I really like how there's little hearts at the very corner of each letter, and it's just pink and white and hot pink, so it's beautiful. And here we have the animated lock screen. So yes, this is animated. The little hearts are going on and off, which is so cute. And then the time has little hearts with pink and dark pink, and I think that looks really nice with the theme. And of course, I love animated themes, so these are perfect. And this is how the rest of the icons look like. I just really had to show you guys because this is adorable. Look at Samsung Pay with the cat and a heart. The Galaxy apps is a love. Smart Things is like a little like date night table. Samsung Health is like a heart lollipop. Overall, this is a perfect Valentine's Day theme, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!